Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a comparison of Coolify and Dokploy. In order to do so, here we are at dokploy.com and we're also at coolify.io. According to Cider AI, Coolify and Dokploy are platforms designed to simplify the deployment and management of applications, particularly in cloud environments. However, they have different focuses and target audiences. Let's take a look at a detailed comparison. Coolify is an open source platform that provides a self-hosted solution for deploying applications easily. It caters to developers and teams looking for a straightforward way to deploy web applications without dealing with complex infrastructure. Dokploy, on the other hand, is a deployment tool that aims to simplify the process of deploying web applications with a focus on continuous integration and continuous deployment. It targets developers and DevOps teams who need a reliable way to deploy applications in different environments. Core features include, for Coolify, easy deployment. It allows users to deploy applications with minimal configuration, supporting various tech stacks. Users can run Coolify on their own servers, giving them full control over their deployment environments. Provides an easy-to-use interface for managing deployed applications and their configuration. Supports database management features, allowing users to set up and manage databases along with their applications. Dokploy, on the other hand, offers integration with CI/CD pipelines to automate the deployment process, making it easier to deploy changes as they are made. It allows users to manage different environments seamlessly, provides easy rollback options, enabling quick recovery from deployment issues, and features a web-based dashboard for monitoring deployments and application performance. As far as the user experience goes, Coolify is designed for ease of use. It provides a user-friendly interface that provides application deployment for developers. Its self-hosted nature allows users to tailor their setups according to their specific needs. Dokploy, on the other hand, is aimed at users familiar with DevOps practices. Its focus on CI/CD may require a bit more technical expertise compared to Coolify. However, it offers robust features for managing multiple deployments, which can enhance the user experience for teams performing regular updates. Coolify integrates with various databases and cloud services, allowing users to scale their applications as needed. Its self-hosted aspect provides flexibility in terms of scalability based on individual server capabilities. Dokploy is built with a focus on deployments. It integrates well with Git repositories and CI/CD tools. This makes it easier to scale applications and manage multiple environment deployments effectively. Community and support. Coolify as an open source project, as a growing community that contributes to development, documentation, and community support can help users troubleshoot and optimize their deployment processes. Dokploy offers documentation and support tailored for developers looking to integrate CI/CD into their workflows. While it may not have as large a community as some open source projects, it provides targeted resources for its users. In summary, choose Coolify if you are looking for a simple, self-hosted solution for deploying applications without too much complexity. It's ideal for developers wanting an easy way to manage and deploy web applications. Choose Dokploy if you need a robust deployment system focused on CI/CD practices, supporting multi-environment setups and automated deployments. It's great for teams looking to integrate their development processes with deployment seamlessly. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you are interested in Cider AI, take a look at our link tree in the description. Click on that and you'll find information on our upcoming Intro to AI webinars, as well as a discount code for Sintra AI. Skillcraft60 will give you 60% off your subscription. And if you're interested in Cider, click on the link there to get started. Take a look at EnzoBot as well. Clicking on those links helps us out, and we would greatly appreciate it.